the chairman BOT, the secretary BOT, the caucus of the National Assembly, and their members, leaders of the National Assembly and their members here present, other BOT members, members of NEC. Let me stand on the already established protocol. I want to use this opportunity to welcome you to the 100th NEC meeting. When the NOS was introducing, accredited members, and he mentioned 100th NEC, I saw some people clapping. I want to use this opportunity to express to you that there was a thought before now that this meeting will be an extended caucus, and you can see various adverts flying here and there. The beauty of our party is that we have always handled our problem our own ways. So after due consultations with our leaders, the governors, leaders of other organs, we say for the synopsis, even though we've slated this NEC and we had challenges, but this is our own NEC. And this NEC is going to deliberate on only one item so that we don't run foul of the other regulators masculine of asking us to do this or that. It is in this NEC that we will discuss when to hold the second NEC going to convention in a most lawful and profound manner. We'll discuss that and we'll issue the date when we conclude this meeting. I also want to use this opportunity to remind us that as party faithful, we all have responsibility to this party. The issue at hand, which created a lot of tension and division within us, has been discussed and we have taken a position. Unfortunately, the agreement to allow the National Secretary to step in, which has been actually prompted by our meeting with the INEC, which will be discussed. Okay, I will leave that. But all the same, I've already said it. It took a painful decision. It was a painful decision. Okay. I just want to stop here because maybe when we finish our meeting, we'll brief the media appropriately. I think I will use this opportunity to welcome you again. And also, I will still use the opportunity to call on party faithful to stop arbitrary demarketing of this party. I want the media to note. If you so much love this party, I think it is now time for you to devote your energy in propagating the beauty of this party and stop demarketing the party. Unless if you are one of those that have been contracted to come and destroy our party. I want to say it clearly here, enough is enough. Thank you very much.